Rihanna is a huge fan of Koffee music. The Bajan pop star was among the A-list celebrities who attended Buju Banton's show in Barbados last weekend. Rihanna was rubbing shoulders with the Grammy-winning reggae star as well as other acts like Spragga Benz, Assassin, and teenage reggae dancehall sensation Koffee. RiRi posted a video on her Instagram story of herself and her BFF Melissa Ford vibing to Toast while on their way to the show. She again posted another clip singing the lyrics while Koffee was on stage. The videos that Rihanna posted went viral on social media, and this is good for Koffee since RiRi's 70+ million followers get a chance to hear her music. Toast is the biggest single to date for the young Jamaican DJ who captured the hearts of reggae dancehall fans worldwide. The music video has already reached 32 million views on YouTube in 5 months. Rihanna, who grew up on reggae and dancehall music, just gave Toast a huge endorsement and it's paying off for Koffee. If you take a quick glance into the comments on YouTube, you will see thousands of comments from fans who say Rihanna brought them to the song. Some fans are suggesting that RiRi and Koffee should link up for a collaboration and I agree with that, it would be an instant hit. Rihanna is currently working on her dancehall album, due sometime this year, which would be the perfect opportunity for her to work with the 19-year-old reggae star. The work singer has yet to give us a release date or title for the project which has been in the works since the fall of 2017. Nevertheless, she regularly teased new music via IG. Our last reporting on the pending project is that it's almost ready, but we're told that she will not release it until she is satisfied with the body of work.